All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the driver retirement plan that does not exist. So, if you guys are a delivery driver in a rideshare or any of that kind of stuff, I got a plan for you guys because DoorDash is not coming up with any kind of retirement plan for you guys. I hate to break it to you. As independent contractors, we are on our own and we are totally screwed if we lose our job and we don't have anything else coming, you know? So, we're gonna talk about how you guys can have a retirement plan and how you guys can actually make your life a lot easier. So, I think of drivers as two different people. There's either the rich driver, which is someone who's actually thinking about all these investments that are doing that this whole video is gonna be about, or there's the poor driver, which is, I feel like most people, especially if you're a beginner, and you're just getting into delivery driving, a lot of people are like, oh, I didn't realize I could make delivery money, like just driving around and delivering people's food. And then a year later, they realize, man, my car's got a lot of miles on it. You know, there's an extra 20,000 miles on my car. And then a year later, they got to pay for all of those expenses, like tires going bad quicker, the oil changes, and all kinds of stuff that goes wrong with your car. So if you don't want to, like, if you're not investing into yourself and making passive income, then your life is going to be getting harder rather than easier. So DoorDash is one of those things where it's like a temporary solution to something, but there's really no end goal. And we all know at the end of DoorDash, it's not like you're gaining any knowledge or anything. It's not really like something good to put on your resume. So let's talk about some passive incomes you can make, because passive income, the more passive income you have, the easier your life's going to be. So let's make some simple numbers, and let's say that you need $1,000 a month to cover all of your expenses. So if you guys have $1,000 a month coming in, if let's say you make your money work for itself and you have $1,000 coming in passively, you don't have to work anymore. You could essentially just live for free, right? As soon as you have enough passive income, your life is going to get so much easier, and then you can just start investing and doing things. You'll have more freedom. Like, there's just so many benefits of having passive income. I personally have a few streams of passive income, YouTube being my biggest one, and YouTube is now actually covering all of my bills. So I'm going to go over some of the top passive income ideas that I found for you guys to use. Now, please smash the like button, and if you guys haven't yet, consider subscribing to the channel. We got more informational videos like this and delivery driving videos coming at you in the future. And if you guys haven't yet, please join our Facebook group called Rich Driver, Poor Driver. It's on Facebook, and it's a group of productive people who are delivery drivers, and we all talk about anything that's going to try to better ourselves as human beings. So let's dive into the top passive income ideas. Number one, the first one that everyone thinks of is buying a property and renting it out. Now, if you own your property, you're gonna have a mortgage. You're gonna be paying, and it's actually kind of like adding money into a savings account, because all that money, when you sell that property, you get all that money back. Rather than renting, you are literally throwing your money away as a renter. Now, of course, it's gonna be a lot easier to rent a house than it is going to be to buy a house. There's a lot more qualifications that come with buying a house. But if you guys can, and you can qualify for buying a home, unfortunately, DoorDash does not really count as a good stream of income for purchasing a home. It does not look good, especially if you're writing a lot of stuff off for your taxes. It's because it's an independent contractor job. It's a lot easier if you have a normal job. That way you have a steady stream of income to buy a home. I've noticed that in the future, or in the past, when I tried to buy a home, I had all 1099 income, which means I was just solely an independent contractor. I haven't had a normal job in years, so it was a lot harder for me to buy a home than if I had like a normal job as an employee. The second stream of income, passive income, is high dividend stocks. Now, this is something you can do today. If you guys have a couple $100, or it doesn't even have to be that much money, you can buy all kinds of stocks that are going to give you a dividend every month or every quarter of the year. So every time, like let's say every time January comes around, you're gonna get $6 to $10 or something, depending on what kind of stock it is and how much the dividends are. So if you guys want to look up high yielding dividend stocks, that's something that you guys can do today, and the more of them that you own, the more passive income you get. And also, as those stocks go up in value, you can eventually share or sell them and make that money back. So it's almost like just putting your money in like a savings account. Now, of course, there's the option, or there's the possibility that the stock is going to go down in value and you could lose some money. So nothing is risk-free nowadays. So the next thing is, of course, a YouTube channel where you guys are watching me right now. YouTube is not for everyone though. So if you guys aren't comfortable talking on camera, I'll admit it is kind of weird that I sit in a car and talk to myself all the time. But when you do get better at it and you get more used to talking to a camera, it's actually pretty fun. There's so many benefits of having a YouTube channel. I can go on and on and on about the benefits of YouTube. It's marketing for yourself, or if you have a business, it's marketing for your business. Real quick, shout out to my footwear company, offaccessacrobatics.com. Use the discount code OFFACCESSTANNER and you'll get 30% off. See, just like that, I can advertise my business for free on my YouTube channel. There's also other ways you can make money, especially Google ad revenue or AdSense. So Google AdSense is basically it's all of the ads that you guys see on my YouTube channel. Those ads are paying me anywhere from like 1/10 of a penny to a penny per view, and sometimes even more depending on what your YouTube channel is about. My channel is about finances and side hustles and entrepreneurship, so I make a lot more money than a typical YouTuber who's probably doing like stunts and like dangerous pranks and that kind of stuff. It's not very advertiser friendly. So if you guys are interested in starting a YouTube channel, I recommend it to everyone because there's so many benefits of it. And after doing YouTube for a few years, I'm finally to the point where I can YouTube full time, and I'm actually still getting paid on videos that I did 4 years ago. So some videos that I did 4 years ago are still paying me up to $100 a month over the last couple years of time, you know? So that's the ultimate source of passive income, especially in my opinion. The next one is a blog. Same thing goes for a blog. A blog is obviously like when you're reading, there's always going to be like little advertisements on the side. That's another way of making passive income. And once you buy, like I think of YouTube videos and blog articles as like, it's like you're buying a small stock every single day. And that stock could blow up and it could get a ton of views and then make a lot of money, or it could totally tank, but you're still making a little bit of money. So it's like buying little stocks every single day. That's the way I think of YouTube channel. It's gonna be the same thing for a blog. Affiliate marketing is also gonna fall into that category. Affiliate marketing is when you put a link from like, let's say Amazon, and someone clicks on that link and they go and buy that, you get paid for that. So it's also another source of passive income. And then the last passive income that I can think of, or there's plenty I can think of, but these are my top 5 basically good ones for you guys, is either a audiobook, a blog, or a book, or a video course. So you can make like, everyone's got their own special skill that they're really good about. Now, I have my own special skills and I teach a lot of them on YouTube. I try to give out as much free information as I possibly can, so you guys can do the same thing. If you guys, let's say you're an artist or you're a personal trainer or like whatever you guys are, there's always going to be some kind of information that you guys have that someone else wants. So you can create an audiobook or a course or just write a normal book, and that's gonna be passive income because people can buy it in the future. Of course, there's gonna be like little things you gotta do, like market the book and stuff. Yeah, of course, but there's other things you can do. And I, of course, am always like a big fan of starting businesses. I invested into my footwear company years ago, and that's now making its own passive income. So I'm consistently getting paid on shoe sales that are coming in nowadays from money that I invested years ago. So that's just another idea. Anyways, if you guys enjoy these kinds of videos at all, please consider smashing the like button. I gotta like just retirement plans and like people not thinking about their retirement, because every single day you get older, life is going to get harder. So this stuff is so important for me, and it's basically what my entire channel is about, is helping you guys out and trying to make your life easier. So always, especially as a delivery driver, you have so much free time to work on this kind of stuff. So please go out there and try one of those streams of income or passive income. Passive income makes your life so much easier, especially if you can take off like 25% to 50% of the monthly bills that you have to pay in passive income. It is just a gigantic weight off your shoulder. And once you're to the point where you have enough passive income to cover all of your bills, life is easy. Like life just gets so much easier when you don't have any like I don't know, you can essentially do whatever you want. Like, I now have enough passive income to pay off my entire life, and now I just do DoorDash for fun when it comes and goes. You know, if I want to do DoorDash today, I can, and if I don't want to, I don't have to. If I want to like make a big purchase or something, maybe I'll do a little bit more here and there. But anyways, that's all I got for you guys today. If you guys enjoyed the video, of course, just smash the like button, and there's that notification bell, especially. You're supposed to click on that thing too. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.